I'm glad I am alive to see and feel the full deliciousness of this bright day. That's like a heart with nothing to conceal. The young leaves scarcely trembling, the blue-gray, rimming the cloudless ether far away. Brazish hedges, shadows, mountains that reveal soft sapphire, this great floor of polished steel, spread out amidst the landmarks of the bay. I stoop in sunshine to our circling net. From the black gunwale tend these milky kine up their rough path. Sit by yon cottage door, playing a diligent thread. Take wings and soar. Oh, hark how with the seasons lurid joy culminates in song. If such a song were mine, I'm glad I am alive to see and feel the full deliciousness of this bright day. It's like a heart with nothing to conceal. The young leaves scarcely trembling, the blue-gray. Oh, hark how with the seasons lurid joy culminates in song. If such a song were mine,